He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be taking a second look at the company called Action Labs. Okay, about a year ago, Action Labs sent us their MEATER wireless thermometer to test out, and while it performed pretty well, I had an issue with the connectivity on it. Every time I would close my patio door or walk away from the wireless thermometer for any distance, the connectivity to the app on my phone would disconnect. So while it was a nice little wireless thermometer, you couldn't walk too far away from it. Well, the folks at Action Labs sent us the new MEATER Plus wireless thermometer to test out, and that's what we're going to put through its paces today. Okay, so we're going to do a quick steak. We're going to throw it out there on the RecTech Mini, and we're going to see how it works out. So, hey, hang around, watch us do this short prep work and cook, and we'll come back and give you our thoughts on the new MEATER Plus wireless thermometer from Action Labs. Okay, guys, here we have a 1.5 inch thick ribeye steak from Sam's Club, and we're putting a small slit in the side to make it easier to insert the wireless thermometer. Next, we're going to give both sides of the steak a thin coating of olive oil to act as a binder. The seasoning that we're using for our steak is a combination of cracked black pepper and kosher salt at a 2-to-1 ratio. Once our steak is well seasoned, we're then going to insert the MEATER Plus wireless thermometer. Once the thermometer is inserted into the steak, we then activate our MEATER app on our cell phone. Here, the MEATER app gives us an opportunity to set up our cook. So for the steak, we're going to select beef, and then we're going to select steak, and then we're going to set our doneness at 125. Our thermometer probe is already inserted in the steak, so we just press on to the next step. Here you can see that the app is showing us the current internal temperature of the steak, our target temperature, and the ambient temperature around the probe. Time to take the steak to the smoker. Then place the Bluetooth repeater right next to the smoker so that it can continue to send signals to the app. Here you see our steak is almost done. The internal temperature is 117 degrees and the ambient temperature of the smoker is 217, 218 degrees. The app also provides a temperature graph. Now that our steak is cooked, we just want to remove the wireless thermometer and sear the outside of our steak with a butane torch. Well, guys, that's it. It was a great cook. The steak came out fantastic, and the MEATER Plus wireless thermometer functioned to perfection. And once again, like I said previously, we was able to put this in our steak inside the Tec Mini, put the bridge next to the smoker, and I was able to walk all over the yard, all over the house, and maintain connectivity. So I could put my food on the smoker, come back in and work in the office or in the garage or what have you, and monitor the internal temp and the ambient temperature of my smoker and of my food. Okay, so it's a great product. So if you're interested in getting one, I'll put the contact information down in the description block. You know you can pick these up on Amazon, and I also put the website for Action Labs for the company in case you want to check them out. Okay, so we appreciate Action Labs for giving us the opportunity to test this out. It's a great product, appreciate it, and hey, check it out if you're interested. Okay. Well, that's all we have time for today. So like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker.